Welcome back to Tap Tech, where we bring you honest reviews about the latest tech that's shaping the way we play, create, and work. Today we're looking at something that's been turning heads, the REDMAGIC Astra gaming tablet. If you thought gaming tablets couldn't compete with dedicated consoles, this one might change your mind. It's bold, powerful, and designed from the ground up for gamers who want performance on the go. From the moment you see it, the design makes a statement. The Astra is sleek yet aggressive, with sharp lines and a futuristic back design that glows with customizable RGB lighting. It looks more like a gaming device than a simple tablet. The body feels premium with a solid build, and at around 13 inches, it strikes a balance between a large display and portability. It's not too heavy to carry, but it's big enough to deliver an immersive experience. The display is one of its strongest features. You get a massive AMOLED panel with a 3K resolution and a 165Hz refresh rate. Colors are vivid, blacks are deep, and motion looks incredibly smooth. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or editing, the visuals pop with clarity. Touch response is also excellent, which is critical for competitive play. This screen gives you the speed and detail that can make a real difference in fast-paced games. Performance is where the Astra really shows its purpose. It's powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon X Elite chipset paired with a powerful GPU, making it capable of running demanding titles with ease. Multitasking is smooth, apps load instantly, and games play without stutter. REDMAGIC has always been about pushing hardware limits, and the Astra takes that philosophy and puts it into a tablet. Cooling is another highlight. High-performance gaming usually means high heat, but REDMAGIC brings its active cooling system from its gaming phones into this tablet. It has a built-in fan along with advanced vapor chamber cooling. The result is stable performance during long sessions. You can play for hours without worrying about the device throttling or slowing down. Software and features are tuned for gamers. The Astra comes with REDMAGIC's dedicated gaming hub, which lets you customize performance modes, tweak fan speed, and adjust RGB lighting. You also get quick access controls for blocking notifications, boosting refresh rate, and recording gameplay. It feels like a handheld console combined with the flexibility of Android. Battery life is strong for its size and power. The large 10,000 mAh battery gives you hours of heavy gaming or even longer with lighter use. Charging is also fast, with support for up to 100W wired charging. That means even when you run low, you can get back into the action quickly. The audio is immersive thanks to quad stereo speakers tuned for gaming. Sound is loud, clear, and well-balanced, with plenty of bass. When combined with the large screen, it makes mobile gaming feel much closer to console-level entertainment. If you prefer headphones, you get high-quality Bluetooth audio support with low latency. Connectivity is strong as well. You get Wi-Fi 7 for fast and stable connections, making online gaming smoother. There's also USB-C for accessories and external displays, so you can connect the Astra to a monitor and use it like a mini console. Pair it with a controller, and you have a full gaming setup in seconds. When it comes to value, the REDMAGIC Astra is priced competitively compared to premium tablets like the iPad Pro or Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra. But unlike those, it's made with gaming as the priority. That focus makes it stand out. If you're buying a tablet mainly for gaming, this one gives you features the others simply don't. Of course, there are some trade-offs. The Astra is large and may feel bulky for casual use. The camera system is basic compared to flagship tablets, but that's expected since it's not built for photography. And while the software is polished for gaming, it doesn't always have the same ecosystem support as Apple or Samsung devices. But for the right user, those limitations won't matter. The Astra is all about raw gaming power, smooth visuals, and long-lasting performance. It's designed to give you an edge in every match, whether you're playing shooters, MOBAs, or RPGs. It's also great for streaming, creative work, or just enjoying high-quality entertainment. The REDMAGIC Astra gaming tablet is more than just another Android tablet. It's a serious gaming machine packed into a portable form. From the blazing fast display to the cooling system, every detail is designed with players in mind. If you want a tablet that feels like a console in your bag, this is the one to look at. At the end of the day, it's clear what REDMAGIC wanted to achieve. They didn't just build a tablet that can play games, they built a tablet that was made for games. And in that mission, the Astra delivers. Thanks for watching TapTech, the channel where we help you understand which gadgets are truly worth your attention. The REDMAGIC Astra gaming tablet shows that gaming tablets are no longer a niche, they're ready to compete with consoles and PCs. Stay tuned for more reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.